consisting of first, hello, my name is Stefani Luna with student ID number is 20030200022.
Hi, my name is Haryati. My ID student number 20030200047.
Hello everyone, my name is Erlin Septiani. My student ID number 20030200049.
Hello, my name is Nadira. My ID study number 2003020014.
Here, we will explain material about the area and perimeter of two-dimensional object and its application in daily life. This assessment is done to fulfill the test from English for Mathematics Education. With lecturer are Mr. Febrian and Mrs. Puji Astuti. So, as not to delay the time, let's look at the discussion of the material together.
What is mean by two-dimensional object?
In geometry, a two-dimensional shape can be defined as a flat plane figure or a shape that has two dimensions, length and weight. Two-dimensional or two shapes do not have any thickness and can be measured in only two faces. We can classify figures on the basis of the dimension they have. A circle, triangle, square, rectangle, and pentagon are examples of two-dimensional shapes. What is square? Square is a regular quadrilateral which has all the four sides of equal length and all four angles are also equal. The angles of the square are at right angle all equal to 90 degrees. Also, the diagonals of the square are equal and basic each other at 90 degrees. A square is a close to dimensional shape with four sides. All four sides of a square are equal and parallel to each other. The basic figure of a square is shown beside. A square is a quadrilateral in which the opposite sides are parallel, all four sides are equal, all angles measure 90 degrees. Some of the important properties of a square are given below. 1. A square is a quadrilateral with four sides and four vertices. 2. All four sides of the square are equal to each other. 3. The opposite sides of a square are parallel to each other. The interior angle of a square at its vertex is 90 degrees. 4. The sum of all interior angles is 360 degrees. The diagonals of a square visit each other at 90 degrees. 5. The length of the diagonal is equal, since the sides of a square are parallel. It is also called a parallelogram. What is rectangle? A rectangle is a quadrilateral in which all the angles are equal and the opposite sides are equal and parallel. There are many rectangular objects around us. Its rectangular shape is characterized by two dimensions, its length and weight. The longer side of the rectangle is known as the length and the shorter side is known as the weight. In this chapter, we will learn about the rectangle shape and its properties. Sides of a rectangle are given below. 1. A rectangle is a quadrilateral. 2. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal and parallel to each other. The interior angle of a rectangle at its vertex is 90 degrees. 3. The sum of all interior angle is 360 degree. 4. The diagonal beside its order. 5. The length of the diagonal is equal. 6. The length of the diagonal can be obtained using the Pythagoras theorem.
Okay everyone, here I will explain the material about triangle and parallelograms. Okay, first of all, I will explain about triangle. Definition of triangle. A triangle is a flat shape bounded by 3 sides and has 3 vertices. The types of a triangle can be reviewed based on length of the sides. First, any triangle. An arbitrary triangle is a triangle whose sides are not the same length. 2. Isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle that has 2 equal sides. And 3. Equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle that has 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. Next, there is a triangle based on the size of the angle. First, acute triangle. An acute triangle is a triangle in which all 3 angles are acute angles, so that the angle in the triangle are between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. 2. Obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle is a triangle in which one of the angle is an obtuse angle. 3. Right triangle. A right triangle is a triangle in which one of the angle is a right angle, the measure of which is 90 degrees. Next, the properties of the special triangle. First, right triangle. One of the angle in a right triangle is 90 degrees. 2. Isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle can be formed from 2 right triangles of the same size and congruence. An isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. An isosceles triangle has an axis of symmetry. 3. Equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. Every equilateral triangle has 3 axes of symmetry. Okay, I will discuss the second material, which is a parallelogram. Definition of parallelogram. Parallelogram is a 2-dimensional flat shape consisting of 2 pairs of equal and parallel sides, but the 4 angles are not right angles. As for the properties of a parallelogram, including 1. Has 2 pairs of parallel sides and the same length. 2. Has 2 pairs of equal angle, that is a pair of acute angle and a pair of obtuse angle. 3. Opposite angle are equal. 4. A chance angle when added together, the sum is 180 degree or mutually exclusive. 5. When the 4 angles are added together, the sum is 360 degrees.
A trapezium. A trapezium is a 2-dimensional shape formed by 4 edges, 2 of which are parallel but not the same length. Types of trapezium. First, isosceles trapezoid is a trapezoid whose non-parallel edges are the same length. A right angle trapezoid is a trapezoid in which the non-parallel edges are unequal and one of the non-parallel edges is perpendicular to the parallel ribs. Rhombus. A rhombus is a 2-dimensional flat shape formed by 4 equal like ribs and has 2 pairs of non-angle angles, each of which is equal to the angle opposite it. Characteristic of rhombus. First, has 4 sides of the same length. 2. Has 2 non-right angles, each of which is equal to the angle opposite it. 3. Has 2 diagonals that are not the sum like 4 has 2 folding symmetries and 2 rotating symmetries.
Hello everyone, I'm Nadira. Here I will continue the explanation about kite and circle. Well, the first one is kite. A kite is a flat shape that has several characteristics in common, namely each of them has 4 line segments and 4 corner points. In addition, quadrilaters have elements of sides, angle, corner point, and diagonal. Okay, go on the next material, which is about circle. A circle is a set of points that are equidistant from a certain point. A certain point on the circle is called the center of the circle. A circle has one curved side. Now, the distance of a point on the circle from the center of the circle is called the radius of the circle. In each circle, the value of the circumference divided by the diameter remains constant. This constant is called P. P we can use 20 to 7 or we can use 3.14.